Hey guys, I'm back with another process video this week. I'm going to be working on another 9x12 page for my Project Life album from 2017. So this is from August of, not last year, the year before. It's a page from, what did we do this day? Oh, we went to a Yankee game because my husband gets tickets from work. So we took my parents and my sister, and then we went wedding dress shopping without my husband. So that's what that one picture is from. So yeah, let's get into it. So right now I'm going through some cards, trying to figure out what I want to do. The pictures are primarily very white, blue, dark blue, black. So I want to stay pretty simple with the colors. I don't want to add anything too bright or different. So I chose that striped card on the left, that bottom kind of like, it's like a, I don't know what that's called. It's like a frostedy washed looking card. I don't know. And that love this card on the top right hand corner, which I think ties in with all the navy and everything. So I found that tag in my collection of random tags and labels or whatever. And it has a little bit of red stars on the side. So I think I'm going to incorporate those at some point later on in the video. So I'm pretty happy with my cards and my placement and everything. I'm using one of those circle chipboard pieces from the Studio Calico kit I used in the last video. So now I'm just picking out all my embellishments and everything, going through all my stickers. I'm going to be using those square alphas. I think it's Pretty Little Studio, I'm not entirely sure. And then I'm now going through all of my stamps. That stamp set that I just pulled out at the left, the 4x6 stamp set, is a Studio Calico Life Love paper stamp set. I really love her handwriting, so I'm going to be using that. And then that weather stamp set is from a Kelly Perky release, I think in 2017. I think, yeah, good for planners. It's very cute. So I'm going to be using the weather stamp set because, as you can see in the bottom left-hand picture, it rained really hard that day. The game actually ended early, so we have like our ponchos and everything, but it was still a really good day. It was nice. It wasn't cold or anything, so at least there was that. So I'm going to be using my big Archival ink because my StazOn has been dead for a while now, so I haven't really purchased a new one. But I like this one. It's nice, bright, crisp, works well. And I'm just using some scrap 4x6 card to stamp that raining stamp. And then I'm just going to cut that out, and I think I just place it in the center of that bottom left-hand photo. So I'm going to be using that tag card as my journaling spot. So I'm going to grab this line stamp from that stamp set I grabbed before and just stamp it right onto the tag. So I'm going to throw some blue onto that picture of me and my sister going wedding dress shopping, just because that picture is pretty black and white, pretty neutral. That was one of the dresses I tried on that I did not like, so but she was taking pictures anyway, so we figured why not. So next, I think, what am I doing? Oh, so I want to use one of the Days of the Week stamps. So I found these Kelly Perky labels, but I wanted something a little bit different because, as you can see, all of the cards have very like linear, very square. All the labels are pretty simple. So I found these kind of banner labels from, I think, A Beautiful Mess. I think it's from like a Messy Box kit. So I thought that would change it up a little bit. I think at one point I'm between two different labels just because I don't know which shape I want more. But then I end up going along with that kind of just half circle. This is me asking my husband which one he preferred. And then that one won. So I think that's a really good way to just add some of the color from the other parts of the page, like those stars that I mentioned earlier, without having to be too bold and too bright and distract from like the pictures and your journaling and the story of the day. So now that all of my journaling's done, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the page with some embellishments. Just going through my magical box of stickers and stars and hearts and enamel dots. Just finding some little bits and pieces I can throw on here just to give the page more texture and more layers. Those gold stars are from Studio Calico that I've had forever. That asterisk I think is also from Studio Calico. This is why I really like the Studio Calico kits, because you get so many embellishments that you can incorporate down the line in other projects. Nothing that's like really exclusive to just that kit, and that's how I really built a stash over the years for anyone thinking about how they can get into scrapbooking. I think a kit club is the best way to do it. And here is the finished page. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments about anything I said or used in this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.